Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to DotnetMaster. So guys, we are doing one more beautiful service that is called resume building service. Okay. So I'm going to be explain you what exactly the resume building service we are doing. Okay. So before going to be start, explaining what exactly why the resume building is important. First, I want to be show you the, you know, in generally 90 to 95% students have seen the resumes. Okay. And I talk to a lot of students in the college level. After completed fresh graduates, I talk to them. See, they are not getting any interview calls. The first of all, they are not getting in interview calls. The reason why they are not getting interview calls is the first most important thing is they don't have a proper resume. That's the reason they are not getting any interview calls. Guys, there is lots of jobs are there in every field, especially in software engineering. They have a lots of jobs in .NET, they have a lots of job in Java, they have a lots of job in Python, they have a lots of job in machine learning and all. But I have seen that students, they are very intelligent. They are they can develop the projects. But what is the problem is, first of all, they are not getting any interview calls. The what is the reason they are not getting any interview calls? Even still they are applying lot of times. They are applying in the LinkedIn, they are applying in the Naukri profile and everywhere, but still they are not getting any interview calls. The most important, the first priority, the most important reason for not getting interview call is because of their resume. Guys, resume is the most important thing. I will show you 95% they have this kind of resume only. I will show you what is the mistakes they are doing. You look at this resume, guys. I have taken one of the resume from the students. Almost all the students. See here, they put like this. This is the basic template, the student name, and address, something like that. It's not proper font, and it's not proper your career objective, what exactly you want to be. And education, you check it, this one, this is table. See guys, in resume, don't put any kind of tables. If you put the tables, right, ATS system is there. So ATS means all the companies, all the software companies, they are using, they depends on that, this software only. At your resume is automatically, because see, all the MNCs like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, all the all the big MNCs, they all your resume is going to be scanned with the all the resumes are going to be scanned with ATS system only. Because see, lakhs of students resumes are there. HR cannot do the manually. HR cannot, each resume cannot check manually. They completely, they depends on the ATS systems only. Suppose if you don't put the proper keywords in your resume, so your this machine, this software is not going to be pick up your resume. So that's the reason you're not getting any kind of interview call. See, you need to be have the unique and customized resume. If you have a proper customized resume, then only your resume is going to be you're recognized in the ATS system. Then only HR will get your resume in their hand, and then only you are going to be get the interview calls. Okay. So guys, to how to develop a how to develop a resume that you will get a interview calls is, you need to be create a customized resume. I will show you what are the mistakes they are going to be do. See here, this is the 95% students, they are following same thing. They have some career objective, they put some education qualification. See, there is 95%, they don't put what exactly they want. Simply, this is a common, they put like that. And you check this one, education qualification, why they you box. There is, if you put the box, ATS system will not recognize the words. ATS system will not pick up the keywords. That's the biggest problem. ATS will not work if you put the in the boxes, table boxes. Table, don't put table boxes in your resume, table kind of things. Okay. And see here, there is no proper, they are using experience in the border. Education is first, these all the mistakes are there. Guys, this is the, yeah, I'm telling you, same. And declaration, why you are using the declaration? No need to be used declare. Why you're again telling? Whatever I'm telling that this is all the correct. No need. See, guys, these all the mistakes, and there is no achievement in that resume. They not at all highlighting. Where is your projects? What you have done? Where is your achievement? See, if you put, where is your LinkedIn link is there? Where is your, where is your GitHub link? So these all the mistakes are there, guys. So if you get a proper, this all the, and I'm telling you, same resumes, 95% students they have currently. If you put, that is the reason you're not getting interview calls. Guys, what I'm trying to say is, I'm going to be help you out with very minimal amount. Forget about the amount, guys. You know, guys, save your life. Don't rely on this kind of templates on the resumes. Okay, I am going to be help you out to create a customized resume so that you are going to be get the interview calls. Okay, if anybody is interested about my resume building service, see guys, I am telling very frankly, whoever the develop my they got, my students got the good interview calls. Okay, so and also our students, you got the, you know they got selected in good MNCs, like my students are working in TCS, Wipro, Infosys. Okay, so guys, if anybody is interested to build resume, your customized resume building with a .NET Master, please DM in Instagram and LinkedIn. Thank you very much, guys. Don't worry about the amount. I'm going to be charged very minimal amount to you. That's it. Thank you very much.